count-controlled loops are used for iterating steps a specific number of times. It is used when the number of iterations to take place is already known. It uses a counter to keep track of how many times the set of commands has been repeated. Count-controlled loops are executed using the for statement. For specifies the starting point of the iteration. Range indicates how many times the program will iterate. For this count-controlled loop, I'm going to ask the user to enter 4 numbers, and then the program will automatically add them up. I'm going to start off and I'm going to write total is equal to 0. The next line, for count in range 4. The variable count is used to keep track how many times the iteration happens. The for statement is used to determine where the loop starts. The range declaration signifies the number of instances the loop is to occur. In our example, it will repeat 4 times. The variable count regulates the repetition. In every repetition, the program consequently adds 1 to the value of count. The program then continues to iterate if the value of count is in the range declared in the loop, i.e. 4. Once it gets to the end of the range, the repetition stops. In our example, the program repeats 4 times. If we would like to make this 5 times, we would just need to change the number 4 to 5. I have asked the user to type in a number, which is automatically going to convert this to an integer. The total is going to be the total plus whatever number the user has just inputted. This is all part of the for loop, and you can see that because it's indented. Once the for loop has finished, I'd then like to print the total is, and lastly we're going to print the total. Let's see how this works. We are asked to type in a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and it then gives us the total. And this is exactly right because of our range says 5.